Hey everyone, this video is the next step in learning about Excel, and this is about using available help resources. And let's jump onto it. Now you see I have stuff open here, and this is slightly dependent on the version of Excel you're using. 2016 is going to look more or less the same as this. 2013, I'm not sure, you can search up here. But anything older you definitely can't search up here. Anyway, the way you access help, you have a number of options. You have the traditional F1 on your keyboard, and it will just try to load the online help. In older versions it will probably load an offline help, but that's F1 is generally how you access help. And you can then type in here anything you want, like, you know, VLOOKUP, and this one will try to guess what you're looking for. In older versions you may have to type in the whole thing. So F1 is your usual way into help, and if I close this, you can also come up here into help, and depending on the version you have all these options here. If you click help, that's going to bring up the exact same thing as you just had a moment ago. You've seen it, and you can contact support, send feedback, or show training. Now these might not be around in older versions, as well as community and feature suggestions. The other thing you can do in newer versions, as I said, is just type something in here. So again, the traditional VLOOKUP, and you see again this is now connected online, and it's a lot more user-friendly than previous versions used to be, specifically like 2007 odd, which is now 13 years old. But that's an option, and it's actually quite cool. The other thing you can do, which is more specific to tasks you want to achieve, if you have a formula, for example, and you don't really know how it works or function, so if you have a function, you can pick a function. We don't really have data here, but you see how you could pick, for example, sum or average or if. And if you have queries or any such thing, you can just come and click on help on this function, and it will open up your browser specific to whatever you just asked about. So that's also a way into accessing the help function. Generally it's going to be F1, and that's the video on help. Next one's going to be magnification, zoom and tools. So keep watching, and any questions do comment. Thank you.